Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing the life and work of Dennis Mckenna, an ethnopharmacologist, and a notable figure in the field of psychedelic research. Mckenna was born on December 17, 1950, in Colorado, USA. He is the younger brother of Terence Mckenna, who is also a well-known figure in the psychedelic community. Dennis Mckenna received his master's degree in botany from the University of Hawaii and his Ph.D. in botanical sciences from the University of British Columbia. One of the major contributions that Dennis Mckenna has made to the field of psychedelic research is his work on ayahuasca. He first encountered ayahuasca in the Amazon in the early 1970s and has been studying its effects on the human mind and body ever since. In 1990, Mckenna co-authored a book with his brother Terence titled The Invisible Landscape, Mind, Hallucinogens, and the I Ching. The book explores the idea that hallucinogens can be used to access the collective unconscious, which is a term coined by Carl Jung to describe the shared experiences and memories of all human beings. Mckenna has also been involved in the development of several organizations that promote psychedelic research and education. He is a founding board member of the Hefter Research Institute, which is a non-profit organization that funds research into the therapeutic uses of psychedelic substances. In addition, Mckenna is a founding board member of the Amazon Conservation Team, which is a non-profit organization that works to protect the rainforest and the indigenous peoples who live there. Mckenna has been a vocal advocate for the responsible use of psychedelics and has argued that they have the potential to be used as powerful tools for personal growth and healing. He has also been critical of the war on drugs and the criminalization of psychedelic substances, which he believes has hindered scientific research into their potential therapeutic benefits. In recent years, Mckenna has been involved in research into the effects of ayahuasca on depression, anxiety, and addiction. He has also been studying the potential of ayahuasca as a treatment for post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. In conclusion, Dennis Mckenna is a significant figure in the field of psychedelic research and has made significant contributions to our understanding of the potential benefits of these substances. His work on ayahuasca, as well as his advocacy for responsible use and research, has helped to shape the conversation around psychedelics and their role in modern society.